What it be this one? Wetin be this one? Guys, make una just watch how pastor go dey flog a grown-up full housewife for church say because the pikin make noise. Can you imagine? But why are our people so brainwashed? Why are they so gullible? How can a pastor be flogging you, grown-up full married woman? What will your husband say? That you went to church, your child make noise in the church, and your pastor is flogging you, and they are flogging a baby. What kind of? I can't understand. Guys, just watch the video. Not make it not be like say na me dey talk am. Watch the video.
Jesus. Jesus.
Mama.